My name is Baptiste Hilbert and I'm co-artistic director of AWA Israel Dance Company with my wife Katarina Barbosa. Shoot the Cameraman is a production for 2 dancers and 2 camera operators who are totally part of the play and whose images are live broadcasted in a big screen hanging on the back of the stage. Narratively speaking, it's a bit like the famous game called Kultur. There's an intense game of power growing up in between the different characters, but also with the camera. And all of that is leading to a huge grand final and a messy end. The aim is to confront us with the exponential increasing digitalization of this world. So we will be playing that piece between the 2nd and the 28th of August at the Edinburgh Festival Fringe as part of the Assembly Festival in Roxy Central venues.